go mode for so long, and that you start to just build habits of talking about how much non-sleep that you have, and just basically it becomes a norm in your verbiage. That recently happened to me when I was realizing, like, wait, I'm not getting any sleep, and this is consistent, and it's starting to take a toll on my health. And I was like, well, it's in my verbiage. Why am I continuously speaking upon what I am receiving rather than what I want to receive? If I want to change how I'm getting less sleep, I should start speaking upon how much sleep I am getting, and ultimately attract that habit of getting more sleep, treating the sleep as a very important diet for my health, and also using sleep to repair my health. Change the verbiage, and life will change for you.